It was quite some time ago when a viewer asked me in the comments if I could do a Gmail notifier. And what he really meant was not a Gmail notifier, what he meant was a Gmail sender, i.e. a piece of software on the ESP8266 that would send notifications by email to his Gmail account or through his Gmail account. And you've probably already seen that. It's over on www.areresearch.net, and you find the code there and you can check it out. So if that's what you need, you'll find it over there. What I did now is I actually did what he asked me for. I did a Gmail notifier, which is a device that will notify you graphically when a new mail has arrived on your Gmail account. And I just breadboarded that, and I'll show you how it works, and the code is available, of course. It's a real simple project. You can do that in a couple of minutes. So enjoy. Well, if you have one of these development boards, wiring is pretty straightforward. So what you need, of course, is a ground connection for the module, plus 3.3 volts connection. You can sort of nick that from the development board. And then, of course, you need the SDA and SCL connections. It's on D6 here. And the SDA is on D5. Well, and that's it, wiring wise. Easy, isn't it? Now I have put in some unread mails, and after a couple of seconds you should see it come up. So it's both this American style letterbox and the number of unread mails, plus on this ESP12E module the LED will also come up. And once these two mails are read, it should disappear after a couple of seconds. Oh, there we go. I've taken the graphics handling and also the conversion from Daniel Eichhorn's blog. He's also known as Quick78, so kudos to him. And the other thing that I use, of course, is the API of Google Mail, and that's well documented. You'll also see that in the source code over in my blog.